Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we're going to laser engrave recipes on a charcuterie board. Charcuterie boards can be made of literally any kind of material you could think of. They don't necessarily have to be wood. We also make them out of metal and stainless steel and that kind of stuff for specialized applications. In this case here, it's black walnut, as you can see. And the customer already finished it, so they thought about this idea of putting the recipes onto it after they finished it. Generally what we prefer is to have the board not finished first, because what happens is, you can see close up here, you have the recipe, but you see that shiny? That's smoke that deposits on the board. Now if it's not finished, it's not a problem because all you do is sand the board, which is something you do anyways before you finish it. In this case here, the customer now has to resand the surface of it to remove the staining from the smoke. And after that, what they need to do is restain it. So it's just an extra step that you don't necessarily have to do. When it comes to laser engraving, literally any font works, any size font works as well, as long as it fits on the board, obviously. As for images, vector images work best. The problem with just normal black and white, let's say JPEGs and that kind of stuff, is that they come out kind of jagged along the edges if there's just too much detail or if there's not enough. So if you have a vector image, well then it's perfectly fine on the board because we could scale it up or down within any loss or gain of resolution. It's just always perfect. So if you're looking for custom charcuterie boards and laser engraving on them, or any other kind of thing, contact me at CNCKing.com. We'll make it for you and ship it right to your door.